Good morning, everyone. Today we will study the relationship between two specific heats of a gas, which is known as Cp and Cv. Cp here means specific heat at constant pressure, and Cv means specific heat at constant volume. This relation is also known as Maier's relation. So today we will derive the relation between these two specific heats, Cp and Cv. Okay, so let's start. We will start from the definition of a specific heat. Specific heat is defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 mole of a gas by 1 degree Celsius. Yeah, we can define the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of a unit mass of substance by 1 degree Celsius. So specific heat and normal heat is related as dq is equals to mc dt or nc dt. For 1 kg or 1 mole we can write dq equals to c dt. So c is equals to dq by dt. If we use first law of thermodynamics, we can write dq as du plus p dv. Okay, according to first law of thermodynamics, we know dq is equals to du plus p dv. The heat is converted into internal energy and work done. Work done is given by p dv. So if volume is constant, we can write Cv is equals to du by dt. As we know, at constant volume dv is 0, so pdv becomes 0, so Cv is equals to du by dt. So we get the value of du as, du can be written as Cv dt. Similarly, we can write it as equation number 1. Similarly, we can write Cp is equals to dq over dt. Again substituting the value of dq, du plus pdv, using first law of thermodynamics. We have to write capital T because it is temperature, du by dt. We can write it again dq over dt. So cross multiplying, we will get Cp dt is equals to du plus p dv. From equation number 1, we know du is equals to Cv dt. So substituting the value of du here, Cv dt plus p dv. ओके, Cv को हम उधर ले जाते हैं. टेकिंग Cv dt to the left hand side, it can be written as Cp minus Cv dt common is equals to p dv. Okay, we will solve this equation to obtain the relation further on the next page. We get Cp minus Cv dt is equals to p dv. As we know, pdv, or we can say pv here is equals to RT, ideal gas equation. So pdv can be written as R dt. So substituting the value over here, you will get Cp minus Cv dt is equals to R dt. This dt and dt will cancel out. You will get this value of Cp minus Cv is equals to R. So this is the most important relation